Top 10 Facts About Islam. Number 1. Founding. Islam began in the 7th century CE in Mecca, present-day Saudi Arabia, with the Prophet Muhammad, who is considered the last prophet in a line that includes figures like Abraham, Moses, and Jesus. Number 2. Core beliefs. Islam is built on 5 central beliefs, known as the 5 pillars: Shahada, faith; Salat, prayer; Zakat, charity; Psalm, fasting during Ramadan; and Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca. Number 3. Holy texts. The Quran is the central religious text of Islam, believed to be the literal word of God as revealed to Muhammad. Muslims also follow the Hadith, a collection of sayings and actions of the Prophet Muhammad. Number 4. Monotheism. Islam is a monotheistic religion, emphasizing the belief in one God, Allah. This concept of God is absolute, transcendent, and unique. Number 5. Prophets. Islam teaches that God has sent a series of prophets to guide humanity, with Muhammad being the final prophet. Other significant prophets in Islam include Adam, Noah, Abraham, Moses, and Jesus. Number 6. Prayer. Muslims are required to pray 5 times a day, at dawn, noon, mid-afternoon, sunset, and night. These prayers are a direct link between the worshipper and Allah. Number 7. Mosques. Places of worship in Islam are called mosques. Friday is the main day for congregational prayer, known as Jumu'ah, and Muslims gather at the mosque for a special midday prayer. Number 8. Community and charity. Zakat, one of the 5 pillars, mandates Muslims to give a portion of their wealth to those in need, reinforcing the principle of social responsibility and community support. Number 9. Diversity. Islam is practiced by over 1.8 billion people worldwide, making it the 2nd largest religion after Christianity. It encompasses a variety of cultural, linguistic, and theological traditions, including Sunni and Shia branches. Number 10. Cultural impact. Islamic civilization has made significant contributions to various fields, including science, medicine, mathematics, architecture, and art. Historical achievements include advancements in algebra, the development of intricate architectural designs, and the preservation of ancient texts.